Hey everybody. Welcome to Koh Samui. I rented a scooter and I wanted to take you guys along. So welcome to the scenic ride through the tropical paradise of Koh Samui. We're going to be kicking off this adventure right outside the Briza Beach Resort where I was staying. It's a beautiful spot, sandy beaches, laid back vibe. Definitely a place to enjoy. As we cruise down the main road over here, make sure your helmets are on, mirrors adjusted. We're going to want a clear view of the journey ahead. We're starting by cruising along the coastline with the ocean to our left-hand side. The air here smells like salt water and the sun is gently warming everything up. Ahead, we'll be weaving through a mix of jungle-like terrain and small village areas, so get ready for a fun, slightly bumpy ride on these roads. So here we are on the main road here on the island. This is Chaweng Beach Road. This area is a major tourist hotspot. So you're going to expect to see the popular resorts, restaurants, and beach bars on both sides of the street as we pass by. The road is lined with palm trees and landscapes dotted with vibrant flowers. Lots of great places to eat here, lots of great places to hang out. And you'll see as we go down the road here. As we make our way through Chaweng, you'll notice a bit of a mix of traffic. Some tourists on foot, others enjoying the sights on bikes like I am here, and the occasional tuk-tuk whizzing by. Don't worry, the roads here are fairly easy to navigate as long as you're aware of your surroundings and you pay attention to the potholes every once in a while. You'll notice a little bit of the shaking, you gotta forgive me for that. You might see some roadside markets selling fresh fruit, local snacks. You may want to stop by and grab a quick coconut. So as we get closer to the heart of Chaweng, the pace starts to pick up. The road gets busier with more vehicles, and you could feel the energy of the town start to rise. This is a morning ride, so it's a bit empty at the moment, but you get the point. To your right, you'll spot plenty of small shops selling souvenirs, beachwear, and everything from sarongs to handcrafted statues. Lots of bars are in this particular area, both on the left and the right-hand side. This place gets really packed in the night. Lots of great nightlife right here in this area of Chaweng. There's a big bar on the right-hand side, you'll notice. This one's really packed a lot of the time. Here we go, passing by a tuk-tuk. These are all over the place. You need to watch out for the occasional pedestrians crossing and be mindful of local drivers when you're renting scooters here. They know these roads well, so just follow the flow and take it slow if you're unsure. As we pass by the heart of the nightlife here in Chaweng, you'll notice that there's bars to the left, bars to the right. There's also massage parlors both on the left and the right-hand side. There's lots of dispensaries, your occasional 7-Eleven where everybody shops at. You've got your money exchange locations. Pretty much everything you need is right here in the heart of Chaweng. Lots of fantastic restaurants to eat at. So basically limitless choices around this particular place. But remember, watch out for those potholes as you rent these scooters. There's going to be plenty of potholes that you're going to be driving over. Lots of little bumps. That Thai kitchen restaurant to the right-hand side was phenomenal. Definitely a place to stop by if you're going to be on Chaweng Beach or nearby. Right up ahead, we're going to be taking a turn towards Central Koh Samui, a hub for shopping and entertainment. This part of the ride offers a different vibe. It's more commercial, but still retains that tropical, laid-back charm. Look out for Central Festival Koh Samui, a huge shopping mall that's hard to miss with this modern, sleek design. It's a nice spot to grab a bite to eat, shop for anything you might need, or just take a break. As we're rolling through the streets lined with both modern establishments and some traditional Thai architecture, don't be surprised if you spot a shrine or temple nested between the buildings. Koh Samui has a great way of blending the old and the new. As we approach the heart of Central Koh Samui, you may feel a bit of a shift in energy. There's a lot going on here. Expect to see more traffic, especially during peak hours. So we'll need to keep our wits about us. The roads can get narrow, but be cautious around turns and junctions. Honestly, this is probably the easiest place to rent a scooter anywhere in Thailand. So as we go by, look out for a wide array of cafes, restaurants, and street food stalls. Definitely worth a return trip if you're hungry. Local vendors here sell everything from pad thai to skewered meats and fresh seafood. Be sure to take it all in, even if it's just a quick glance. As we get to the heart of Central Chaweng, you'll notice that there's also a numerous amount of restaurants serving authentic Thai food here. So if you're hungry later, you can always cruise by, have a seat, and enjoy a great meal. If you look to your right, you'll see an assortment of shopping outlets, from high-end fashion boutiques to local souvenir shops. It's a perfect place to grab a beach hat or even some handmade jewelry. Although on the island of Koh Samui, it's probably the best place for you to rent a scooter and get around town. However, follow the road signs, watch out for pedestrians. This area can get a little crowded during the day, and especially at night. Cruising around on a scooter is probably the best way to see the island. You'll notice the roads winding, but traffic will still be steady. Now that you see a mix of modern developments and more traditional buildings, keep an eye out for local Buddhist temples tucked in between these shops and houses, such as small shrines with golden statues and things like that. At this point, we're getting closer to Central Festival at Koh Samui. There's a lot of little shops to the right, but then here's Central Samui. It's a massive shopping mall that's a popular stop for both locals and tourists. The sleek contemporary architecture of Central Festival stands out against the island's natural beauty. And you'll often find international retailers, a food court with both Thai and global food options, and some fun entertainment zones inside. It's one of the island's biggest commercial hubs, so take note of it if you need to grab anything or take a quick break. This next area we're riding through in Central Koh Samui has a lot of local artists, often painting vibrant, colorful designs on the walls, showcasing the fusion of Thai culture with the more global, modern touch. Another interesting feature here is the mix of architecture, from the classic Thai-style buildings with slanted roofs and intricate carvings to newer contemporary structures. It's clear that the island of Koh Samui has embraced both its traditional roots and modern influences. If you're into photography or Instagram, there are plenty of cool spots to snap a picture along this stretch. Coming up on our left, you may see some popular resorts that are a little off the main road, offering stunning views of the coastline. On the right side, you'll spot a variety of eateries, from cozy cafes serving fresh coffee to beachfront restaurants with sweeping views of the sea. Now, if you're more into the island's authentic vibe, there are a lot of small streets around this area that hold some hidden gems, like local food stalls, quirky cafes, souvenir shops, that carry a bit more of the island's personality. You just gotta pick one of these little side streets, cruise down, and see what you can get. The traffic picks up in this section, so we'll slow down a bit for safety. Watch for buses and trucks on the road. They tend to travel slower, so it's important to be patient as we approach Central Koh Samui's main area. You'll notice more signs for international restaurants, bars, and cafes. This particular area is also a great spot to find local tour operators if you're looking to book excursions or island tours while you're staying in Koh Samui. Honestly, anywhere along this ride is a great place to park, grab a fresh coconut or a cold beer at one of the beachside bars, or even take a short walk along the promenade to soak in the views. The island's natural beauty blends seamlessly with its modern amenities here, creating a perfect balance of relaxation and excitement. Well, thanks for riding along with me today. I'm almost back to the hotel here. Whether you're exploring more of the island, heading back to your resort, or stopping for a quick bite, you've just experienced a slice of what makes Koh Samui one of my favorite places to visit in Thailand. Hope you guys come visit it sometime and enjoy this beautiful island too.